Okay, let's talk about this forge. This is a charcoal or coal forge. It has a hand crank bellows put on it, or fan. Needs a bit of maintenance by looks. It looks like it's out of balance. Connecting to a airflow pipe down to a T-section with a drop point. This is so when the ash drops down through the airflow points here, means it will drop out the bottom, so you can clean airflow. It's a good little. I brought this 2004, I think it was. No. 2000. I brought this in 2000, so it's a good little unit. I think I paid about $500 for it back in the day. I do take this to festivals when I've got space to actually do demonstrations and helpers. But yeah, so with the hand crank, because it's got a hand, like one rotation of the handle is about 30 rotations here by gear and cog. This is just one way of air source to your forge. This could quite easily be modified to be electric, just by removing these two bolts and swapping over to a electric blower, or vacuum cleaner on reverse, or even a hairdryer, believe it or not, of all things. Like these little forges are beautiful for doing this kind of job. But the main thing that you need to look for is this piping is in good condition, and the drop point is still there with the counterbalance. What is this piece? If it doesn't have the counterbalance, it's a pain to empty it out. So, because when it builds up the weight inside, it actually will drop itself and drop the ash. But you also may notice that the air ratio slightly goes from small, the volume gets bigger and bigger and bigger into here. And this extra chamber here, that extra piece here, helps with the air ratio, because the human breath is actually strong enough to get up to welding temperature, but we just can't hold it constantly. So it's not the, it's the volume to the pressure. So this one's got a nice thick sides. This one is perfect for doing like welding, forge welding, when it's, because you're able to get a nice high peak of charcoal. But yeah, and coke, like this thing I've seriously worked a hell of a lot. But yeah, so I do, if you can find one of these or make something similar, I do recommend learning on one of these before you go to your gas forge. So, but yeah, it's a good little unit, so definitely. Any questions, let me know. I'm going to be talking about the forge, next couple of forges that I got. I've also got the big beast, what's currently underneath the gas forge. Pretty much it's the same setup as this, except for it's got a electric dust extraction unit on the end with a control slider bar, and it's got a bigger drop here, and a much bigger surface for putting your coke and charcoal in, and work bigger stuff. This is perfect for doing medium to smalls, but not big stuff, where I rarely use the big forge these days because it's just not economic for me to do so. So yeah, like, comment and subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next one. So I'll see you on the next one. Bye.